Caiu, viu? Obrigado pelo call. Seu sinal 559. Ó. O nome dele. Fred. Tá perguntando se tá tudo bem comigo. Tony. Grato pelo que é só. 73. Espera me encontrar novamente. Meu prefixo. O garoto dele. Holanda. Hotel Alfa 2 DX. Já espotei ele. Vou dar uma pausinha. A Papa Yankee 1 América xilófono. Papa Yankee 1 América xilófono. Ok, Limonio 9 Hotel Alfa Tango, solamente para te saludar, ok, mi hermano. 59, muy bien escuchado acá en Río de Janeiro, ok, que tenga buenos contactos. Limonio 9 Hotel Alfa Tango, Papa Yankee 1 América R.
Gracias, Anthony, hasta luego, buenos contactos, obrigado. Esto es el Limonio 9 Hotel Alfa Tango, London, Uruguay 9 Hotel Alfa Tango, South America College.
Só para dar uma... Só para saludar ele. Tem um americano aqui. Tá na Califórnia. One Alpha X-Ray. A Papa Yankee 1 America X-Ray. A Papa Yankee 1 America X-Ray. Muita gente chamando ele. A Papa Yankee 1. Esse todo mundo conhece, né? É quase um beacon. Inclusive a Iaro americana já reclamou dele, que ele fica só botando essa gravação. É uma gravação, mas às vezes ele atende. Ele já me atendeu uma vez. A Papa Yankee 1 America X, are you around? Quando ele tá em volta lá da estação, ele atende, mas ele deixa assim e cai fora. A Papa Yankee 1. A Papa Yankee 1 America X-Ray. Papa Yellow 1 Alpha X-Ray.
Papa Yankee 1 America X-Ray, Tony. Good afternoon to you, Petra. Nice to meet you in SMC. And 5 CW on the Q100 and 60 meters. It's very nice to meet you, Tony. This evening or afternoon on your side. Your business was pilot challenge. My name is Joe, Julian Oscar, and UK, the 50 kilometers west from Cologne. Yes, this evening I was here on my club station with 500 watts and a dipole antenna 50 meters, Tony. My question to you, Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-Ray, Delta Lima 4 Kilo Charlie Alpha, correct?
Roger, Roger, Joe. Delta Lima 4 Kilo Charlie Alpha. Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray. Very good, Joey. Very nice to see you on 10 meters band, a new band. We're working very, very good. Yes, we have a contact on Kilo 100 and the 15 meters. Yes, I do a lot of CW as well. I was there as well. But now I coming to check SSB. Very good propagation today as the opening, a new cycle coming good. I hope to catch you again on Kilo 100 or wherever. Okay, many thanks for this short contact. Okay, Joey, good look at the X for you. And I hope to see you again. I'm with 300 watts into a vertical antenna, okay? Your dipole, you're doing good job. Delta Lima 4, Kilo Charlie Alpha from Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Over, over.
Okay, Tony, nice to meet you here. Yes, okay. Papa Yankee 1 Alpha, Delta Lima 4, Kilo Charlie Alpha. If I think I go out to the tower and the antenna could be 10 meters higher. I shoot it up and so it will be a little bit better. Okay, Tony, it was very nice to meet you this afternoon. I wish you all the best and hope to meet you again on Hammerband on Q1 again. Tony, thanks very much. My pleasure to meet you. Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-ray, Delta Lima 4, Kilo Charlie Alpha. Thanks very much for mine.
Okay, Joe, you're booming here. You're 5'9" plus in Rio de Janeiro. I will spot you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay, yes, number of thanks for me. I was spotted again. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And two stations, please again. Lima uniform.
Delta Kilo Quebec, number 1 Delta Kilo Quebec.
Lima uniform 1 Delta Kilo Quebec, was it correct? Your number might frequency a little bit behind. Lima uniform 1 Delta Quebec. Romeo Quebec, no habit. Lima uniform 1 Delta Romeo Quebec, okay. Yes, you're 5 and 5, 5 and 5, you're must 200 times down from my frequency, so it was a little problem for me. Okay, name is Joe, Julian of Kkkkk, and QJ is in Cologne.
Cologne.
Cologne is my QJ. The morning 501 and a dipole antenna.
500 watts e uma antena de polo.
Delta Romeo Quebec, Delta Lima 4, Kilo Charlie.
Okay, my friend, thank you very much. You say on 49. You say on 49, eh? Thank you very much for contact, my friend.
Germany 0 Foxtrot Whiskey X-ray. Do you copy Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray from PY1AX in South America, calling and standing by? Se ele vai voltar para mim. Golf 0 Fox Whiskey X-ray, Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray. Do you listen me over? Being in North America. Tô chamando no automático.
Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-ray calling DX and standing by. India Uniform 4 Fox Kilo Echo. India Uniform 4 Fox Kilo Echo.
Roger, Roger. Italy United 4 Foxtrot Kilo Echo. This is Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray. Thank you very much for coming back to my call. Your 5x7, 57, your report here in South America. The name here on this side is Tony, like a Tango, Oscar, November, Yankee. How do you copy? In Italy United 4, Fox Kilo Echo, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Bologna. 58. Bologna. Ok Max, muchas gracias, grazie Italia. De Bologna, ok? Italy United 4, Fox Kilo Echo. Papa Yankee 1, America X. Okay, Max, many thanks for the contact. You come in 5x9, eh? 5x9, 5x8, beautiful copy here, a good condition. So let's go DX. 73, all the best. If you can spot me, will be very good, okay? Will be very welcome. Italy United 4, Fox Kilo Echo, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Bye-bye, thank you. Okay, bye-bye. QRZ, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. CQ10, CQ10, CQ. CQ 10 meters, CQ DX10, CQ 10, CQ. From Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X-ray, calling DX and standing by.
Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X-ray from Whiskey 7, Tango Juliet.
Roger, Roger, Whiskey 7, Tango Juliet, coming very strong. Papa Yellow 1, America X-ray. Thank you for coming. My name is Tony, Tango Oscar, November Yankee. You're 59 plus, 59 plus. Beautiful copy here in South America. How do you copy? Whiskey 7, Tango Juliet, PY1 AX. Já vou.
Tony, thanks for the great report. You're 5 and 8, 58 into the state of Washington, the city and county of Spokane. And my name is Randy, Radio America, Norway, Denmark, yesterday. Go ahead and tell me what you're using for equipment this time.
Roger, Roger, Randy. I'm using FT991 into a vertical antenna and 300 watts. That's my working condition at this moment. Okay, Randy, very simple working condition and very good conditions in the for DX today. Okay, Randy. Whiskey 7, Tango Juliet from PY1AX.
Very good, Tony. PY1AX from Whiskey 7, Tango Juliet. Thanks for the information there. Your 990 is the vertical. Doing the discount for 5 and 8 here in the eastern Washington state. 73, and thanks for the nice report. PY1 Alpha X.
1 second.
7 Tango Juliet.
Roger, Roger, Randy. Many thanks, my friend, for the QSL. Huh? Good to look at the X for you. Another station calling me Tony. Who calling Tony? Go ahead.
Hola, Tony. Solo 5 watts. Lima United 1, Charlie Oscar Papa. Icon 705, 5 watts, ¿ok?
Increíble, increíble. Muy bien escuchate. 5-9 te escucho muy fuerte. ¿Eh? Increíble lo equipo. Icon 705. Muy buen equipo. ¿Eh? Una calidad de audio muy buena también. Llegando acá 5-9. Ningún problema para te escuchar, ¿ok?
Ok, Tony. Muchas gracias por el contacto. Disculpa que estás llamando DX, pero no me quería perder la oportunidad de contactar con 5 vatios contigo. Chau, chau. 7-3. Buenos días.
Ok, positivo, yo voy a almorzar, ¿eh? Yo voy a hacer una parada. Si quiere hacer, la frecuencia es tuya, ¿ok? Un saludo cordial, que tenga buenos contactos. Yo voy a mangiare una macaronata. Ok, mi hermano, hasta siempre. Saludo cordial, un abrazo a distancia. Chao, chao. Ok, gracias. Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X-ray, ok? 73, bye bye. Ok, 7-3. Ele ficou com a frequência, maneiro.